Customtronix and HDMI Streamer. We have decided to go HDMI to composite converter for everything, okay, for streaming or inserting media. So here is how it looks. So you will get this HDMI to composite converter. It has RC out composite and then input HDMI, and then you have the 5 voltage power supply. This unit is really good. We have made it, of course not ourselves, but specification is from us to have the best picture quality we can have from HDMI to composite. It's always going to be a picture loss, but with a smaller screen it's not that bad. So in the package you're gonna get these two. Okay, so you have the power supply, and we have made the cable already. So for connecting it to the Enigma system, it's just plug and play like this. Okay, but now to the most important. Since everyone has different phones, maybe you have Android or iPhone, we are using iPhone, so we are using Lightning to HDMI, and this is a original, okay? This is an original piece. It's actually pretty old, but it works like a charm. The thing is, you can find a lot of things on eBay. Believe me, don't buy the clones. They don't work fine. I have tried at least 4 or 5 different, both Android. Android is easier. Android is, I wouldn't say, you know, there is good ones for Android, but for Apple, just forget it. You have to buy the original. To have it working 100%, buy OEM. I tell you again, buy OEM. I cannot guarantee any picture quality or how the converter is working if you don't have a good Lightning to HDMI. So in this case I'm going to use the OEM, and then we connect HDMI cable, and then the HDMI cable goes into the box, and now then from the box you can choose normally the front cam or the cargo cam. People who have rev cam don't even care about the rev cam. Front cam or cargo cam. Cargo cam is better because you can go through the icon of the menu. So you're going to connect the RCA yellow in here, and the sound goes out to the AUX input. Now when you buy this, we do not supply any adapters or HDMI cable, and not even the RCA cable. The reason for this is that depending on how you install this, since you need to be able to have this one, I would recommend to use a HDMI cable to hole mount on the dash, so you can actually drill a hole, or if you don't want to touch it, you need to just put it on the side and keep this box behind the dash. All right, but length of cable, try to keep it short. Okay, the shorter you have, the better it is. Okay, and the same with the RCA. You can choose to use a little bit shorter cables. I would actually have the converter as close as possible to the input on the Jailbreaker harness. Okay, so if I can have 10 centimeters, I would use 10 centimeters, so on. And also the quality of the cable, I would use a little bit better if it's possible. All right, so again, when you get the box, this HDMI streamer will only be the box, no HDMI and no RCA cable. You will have the power connector and the box. That's it. So the rest is up to you to get, and I tell you again, try to buy OEM. The thing is that we have tried Netflix and it works fine. Everything that comes out from HDMI, you can connect it to your TV, whatever, see what's happening. Because I heard one thing, that saved material for Netflix doesn't are not possible to play from the HDMI, but I cannot confirm that, because we just used streaming service. Okay, so everything that you can stream out from your phone will just be converted by this. There is no communication or nothing between the phone and the box. So that should be the most easiest way to mirror any kind of device like Android or Apple iPhone. All right. So this is it. You're gonna love it.